This is a brand new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include skid plates, power adjustable driver pedals, cooled seats, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, a security system, fog lamps, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, a folding rear seat, and a rear-view camera. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Stark Automotive is located at 1423 Highway 51 in Stoughton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.